everyone, welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today I have this really sweet treat recipe for you. This is loved by kids as well as grown-up. So let's get started. Here I have some lightly salted peanuts and milk chocolate chip. You can also use white chocolate chip or dark chocolate chip. Now I have melted this in a microwave. You can also use double broiler method to melt this. It's already sweet, so I'm not adding any sugar or any sweetness to it. So I'm just going to add some lightly salted peanuts. Now you can choose to add more or less according to your preference. So I have added about 1 cup of peanuts, and I think few more will go in. Now it's thoroughly mixed and all the peanuts are coated really well. Now this is a silicone mold, which is a really cute, like a toy car shaped mold. So I'm going to place the mixture in this mold. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe and make sure you hit those notification bells. So I'm going to tap this to remove any air bubbles. I'm going to let it rest in the freezer for about 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, look how beautifully it's all settled and it all become firm. So I'm going to take it out and show you. Wow, look at this, how beautiful it looks. I'm sure kids will love it. If you wanted to give this as a gift, this is a really cool idea. I have taken a cupcake liners, which is golden on the outside. It's also available in different colors. So I just turned the cupcake liners upside down so that it reveals that golden color or whatever color you choose. And then I'm going to place the chocolates inside it. Now you can pack it up in a gift box. So let me show you how it looks. It's filled with peanuts and coated with chocolate, and it looks really yummy and it tastes amazing, and it's so easy to prepare. So this is really cool idea. Now you can serve this at kids party or even in the goodie bags, and it's a perfect gift. Valentine's is coming up, so you can even make this for the Valentine's Day. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.